Hello. My heart, I'm in the heart. You don't hurt us, spirit Almighty God, whether you believe this or not. I'm in the hurt, my back. I'm in the hurt. I'm in the tell you bun me. It don't hurt me. Because me know already, I still news, girl. It's just a video new. Me don't hurt. Bun me. I made it vex, but yeah. Well, it's good being a man clown and getting the man's name, so I pay for being a clown. It pay for being a man clown. When you know, the generalship of it, the name is not the pay when I get. Mistress Scarlett. Oh God, I couldn't make me bring my eyeglass. From Barbados. Hello, Barbados. How are you? What? Come, I call on the phone, come talk to me. I come live and come talk to me now. God is watching me. God is watching Queenie. All who now go to Scotland to promote his bad. When me go to Scotland, me I tell them about me song. Me are the queen in the... Wait there, girl, don't move. Don't move. I will be going to Scotland very soon to promote. Work me and work and give me a jerk. Work. Something I like. Yes, my girl Instagram name. Thank you. Thank you, Royal Crazy. My is relevant. Why Queen God make you different? God make me at this time, I'm pint in my 52 years. To be carrying out a great job. Because I'm doing excellent, We just need to get some real money now. We just rich in our spirit, just spirit rich. I'm spirit rich. Spirit rich. You know where I eat that? What do I look for? My song. Oh, this is what I was playing yesterday. Hey, my cut and clear the girl yesterday, that's why I'm calm, so. You so nice, I hurt me. Don't hurt me. Feel so good and relaxed. I swear to God, me never see nothing, so. Me so that's to do it now, and the pop. Me not have no time for that. Listen, this is what I do yesterday. I'm so interested to do it. Turn down the phone down. Quick and easy 3-question quiz. Click the button under this video. Do it for for grandma and help my cousin. I remember me about I'm glad I didn't help my cousin, but when I it's listen. It's if I no cuss him and no cuss him too hard, it's see. Me say my son no pass no place. Remember me not pass no place, So to me is a drunk, I'm a tear dead meat sometime. I'm a work from blood because them say drunk and I work for son and me that drunk I work every day. So it's because me so I understand the lick or something them it's sweet, but because enough time when I lick the nail on the head. But when I overdo that put up, I forgot to turn back and belly right now. You know two-sided cutlass? Back and belly right well, like that me turn. No, no can't sick man. Drunk work every day. Drunk, hey, me a peel a drunker. Me a drunker draw breaks. Drunker ass. Drunk on the work on Sunday, me a drink and me a any kind of blood. When I see them something here where I reach me, I put it up on my page for the seat for myself. You know why? Me Lord not take the hunting for me a bad girl, body's blood like. You gotta crawl on your belly like it's a caterpillar. You know what I do with caterpillar when I was in Santa Man? I get that mother bottle. My busy do one pregnant, after me pregnant, just my belly flat. I put caterpillar into a bottle and we sit and wait on the caterpillar to become butterfly. And instead of you turn butterfly, you stifle. You understand what you done to yourself? You crawl like a caterpillar. Because when I Santa Mass, I will catch caterpillar, we put them in our back and them tell us that the caterpillar going to turn butterfly. But realistically, if you put a caterpillar into a bottle, it does, Queenie, calm down, girl. It What am I talking about? Caterpillar. Oh, it's time for the caterpillar. So caterpillar, take the caterpillar, you put him in a little jar, so now you tighten in a little jar. And you sit down like people with them fool, you know, have no sense. You sit down and watch and wait every day. You go look when you look, you say, one, that girl, you are a caterpillar. So you do that little caterpillar walk, and you try to joke me. You know when them a joke the dolly duppy them? When you watch a voodoo show and them have the dolly, and you have the Queenie dolly, and you have one eagle in and say, yeah, I'm there. Them kind of girl there you be. You understand? You're a very evil. You're a very selfish, conniving, bad mind. You're invicted. You're unkind and you're malicious. And do in all of them too. But the only difference is doing married to me. So that's why I'm getting with, understand? Because men becomes one. So even though I never did it physically, indirectly I was there. Yeah? Because if you breed for do it, then say I breed for do it. You not breed for do it, attention and all. Go and send that back to the pit. Do I don't think I breed some breed, go? Eh? Anyway. So with all of your little covetous self, yeah? And you feel like you can make one dolly up if you the energy. All of me just cuss a bad word, I say, God, may you know, said that bad word don't mean nothing to you. I clean, pure heart. And you see when you accept God and walk with God every day after God and time, you can't lose, girl. What I was say, God, you know, oh, someone remember God don't know what favor. The bad will drop out of my mouth, and I remember say the bad will drop out of my mouth, and I God remember right behind it, and I want to penalize me for that. But the strength of the Queen. Girl, I pray for you and I forgive you because you know not what you done. You're very malicious. Well, I come to kind of year one. I stop again, huh? I stop if you try, stop with my husband. Just time, I would live at peace. I prefer to live every minute, remember the tone station. More than me. You think my name is Idiot? Phone the name of Idiot. My name is not Idiot. Never do that. Club, I forgot watch by the live. Hey, I do. Hey, make sure to go by my Viva, you know. I attack everything in I want in a man, remember. Girl power every hour. Make sure to go by my Viva. I want to hear the Whitney remix, the motherfucker do it. Not England, everybody are close up. Life is a punt. You know, I'm hungry, though. I'm talk about the little food. Oh, God. Oh, God, Queenie, I'm full of... Queenie. Hey, but I don't know. Me. I'm not done until my eyes shut. Me just full of energy and life and I'm full of motivation, I'm full of passion, I'm full of love, I'm full of strength, I'm full of wisdom, I'm full of knowledge, I'm full of understanding, I'm full of care, I'm full of worth, I'm full of pride, I'm full of dignity, I'm full of disgrace, I'm full of disappointment, I'm full of disagreement, I'm full of disrespect on top of this. Trouble for trouble, you trouble me, trouble you. 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 Bring blood from 2014, so I was showing Queenie. How many times? How many times? When I come here, I use a bike to reach somewhere in a life. No, I do my own antics. Me no live on a blam is not silver tips. So all I wanna live for me and just have suck out the little juice I'm out. Juicy. Like I out like a vampire. Vampire. Juicy. Juicy. Instagram don't block me, just send my blue tick. I don't really come have sense now. I leave work yesterday. I said, Debbie, I want to be cute. I want to get a ponytail. When my guys say the other peel drunk, I come in have no earline, you know, but my ear pretty. I might hear this in a cream, you know. So my ear pretty. My ear pretty and curly like Crystal ear, it swings. So every time Debbie put the gel right, just so it swing up back. Every time I go fit it swing up back. Nobody give me no one, give me a two. And zigzagging, because life is a zigzagging, and no matter you go up on the block, some kind of the road turn, say, you know, you could have drive straight with all straight. So drive for a road in a zigzag. I could have loved it, eh? Bush! Yeah, what husband when him see me? Johnny's. Johnny's himself, so one good name. I don't remember what him say. But I never crazy come. But don't want to come about no crazy. Don't come, son. Find one nice wife's name. So this is it. Johnny said, call me the government name. He said, Johnny, so you pretty son. I said, no, you want me pretty up and a look? Come where you make me your over back. So he laugh and say, yeah, I'm so glad I go back. I said, I'm not going nowhere, anywhere me I grab me here. That time I know, so the girl have an appointment with me behind my back. But I have a saliva left in my spit, I use that function, you know. No water in here. When I can't say no water, come give me a son of Peter Queen. Was it cheesy? Mm. Ooh, you never make him wash it off. That like you take this to the game. Me that say a pint and I miss it, you know, but I'll get back to it eventually. You know, so I know you before me, the husband scared it. The 5th of July, I'm fly down. I'm down there a couple weeks before I meet my husband. So I'm cute. The little boy up on the line, you know, it's the truth anyway. One cute, like a pretty ear, pretty cute somebody. So I drive, go meet the guy now. Ah, bad girl. So I'm gonna meet him now. I'm sitting in the car. Oh, God bless him. I hope you're not up on the live and take it offensive, but it's the truth. No, man, not my husband. My husband clean. I think if you know that someone come in England and come to sexual health clean. My husband clean, I give him that. That's why I'm there defend him. Him protect the still I go back and check again. Like all this, I don't know if it would slide and go to Jamaica with that. I don't know what you mean if him there Jamaica. Anyway, I want me that talk about. Chat too much. I don't remember what me that just said. What was it? What was I talking about? I don't remember. Somebody remember. Are you listening? Don't call my name. How for name never call? Name. Me not call your name. My husband me talk about. What me talk about him say? Oh! Yeah. So when him finish now, yeah, him say, him a 31, but him trim little body. You know how like young like my baby. He was 31 then say mama say I'm 33 now, cause 2 years ago that. So when him done him said to me say him have a hard one and yeah, me a bad girl, you know. You can't touch me, you have to just ask, anyway. So me stay so now stay over this one, stay so over this one, straight to the dead. Jesus Christ, I know me I feel it. Let me smell it up. I said, Jesus Christ, God. I said, I said, no, something to your body. And I, oh God, I said, what do you mean for make you feel bad? I said, anybody when you're sick. Listen, man, I didn't know what to do. Like, Queenie, I love you. And if I give me one platform and I have a whole heap of something to tell them, I'm a truth. Make you. It's the truth. So, no finding no personal hygiene and you can't chat to me. And you know that you tell me back, sir, him go check out himself. Yeah, I'm tell him. Me not eat, yeah, my name is not Edith. How many times must I say it? My name is not dumb and stupid. My name is one queen in the day. Okay? And I would appreciate it if you like go over to my Vivo, subscribe to my news song that I think I want to get Grammy for. Maybe I change my mind and pick a different one to get Grammy because Nicki Minaj was on my live yesterday and she said, good put something about me. And then she said, Dewey. I said, what? Breaking news, Dewey cheat and Queenie. King mix. I'm saying that look for me for that. Me bummer. Why Queenie, you want post? Woman, the amount of headline where you make. I'm so broke. You know, some broke. I see somebody right where they some broke. Myself, course, on yacht. You understand me? I should be on a private jet, heading somewhere, getting some treat, cut top, yeah. You know them ones there. Break that news, you know. So where my son gone? Where is you, son? Where are you? Break it. Hey, me say me box some headline. Yeah, some little bad-minded people, but Queen is not celebrity. Lie, my friend. My friend, me and you was friend, and you wanted to be my manager, and you, me hear it out of your mouth, you say me not celebrity, but every time you come at my yard, you go, Jay! Yes, you do it, mama! Mama, young Gary! You talk to your mouth, nothing can do alone, no need for putting in one barrel, and roll down the cloth, golly. But you know the only difference with the do it, my sense, the ring, timing, my vows, my commitment, all me. It's because my word is my band. So the way my husband did go on anymore and now look for me and everybody are telling this and how much girl in him phone I tell him say him to get rid of me long time. All I wanna tell him say. And the rate I wanna that go on. I say, but my just done so a bit of so. And the man just run a gun and now look and care. So all it said I'm blocked. And my friend called me from down at Sheffield and said, yeah, your tongue powerful. Stop giving Dewey. Where you tell them to take Dewey for? Claims your man. God never gonna make you mad for 51 years and just done in a 1 year. So God never gonna make me wait so long. I said that's what the woman said, turn me on. When you know the one side I laugh, I say, oh yes, see them a win. Watch her down and she'll get mad now. And she threw button and she apologize. I rehabilitate me, I rehabilitate myself. Because I come back and cuss on no dirty blood husband. And I that. I don't know a girl we're full of powers and words. And so the woman says so. I Grammy give me in my mind. And I say, this sound good. Some people just come at the right time, at the right place to tell her the right thing. And she don't know what that do to me. She just attack. And I say, girl, Marky, I need to find me. Which one you there? Me need to find you. For them to me, I go say in a real life. Ha ha. And I say, you see, when the woman don't tell me, I just say, hey, my husband, you know, come on. This is your own. I mean, never blood give up.